E aí galera, beleza? The vowels are not just A, E, I, O, U. They can make way different sounds than that, and that's what we're gonna see today. So the A, for example, the letter A, it's said A, and you guys must know that, because there are tons of videos about the vowels. But the A actually can make 4 different sounds. 4 different sounds. So let's go. An example of the A, as you know, are the words fase, a, fase, vale, vale, ga, gato. Yeah, those are common examples of the sound you know. So let's see the sounds that you probably are not aware of the letter A. Letra A. For example, when the A has the accent marker, the acute accent marker, I don't know how to say that in English, o acento agudo. Agudo is when the A is pronounced opened. For example, pa is very different than fa, fase, pa, or gato, pa, you see my mouth, ga, pa, marmore, gato, marmore. The open A is pronounced as the A in English, father, other, father. Yeah, pretty similar sound. Let's go to the closed A. The closed A sounds like K, câmara, like the Harry Potter and the chamber something. The câmara secreta, the chamber, câmara. Lâmpada, the bulb, lâmpada. Ótimo! Vamos para a letra E. Então, a letra E faz 4 sons diferentes. The letter E makes 4 different sounds. 4 sons diferentes. Então, o primeiro is similar to the word in Portuguese, in English, sorry, best. For example, festa, 10, velho, pedra. That's similar to the best, right? As, festa, 10. Ótimo. Segundo som, the second sound, the letter E can make, yeah, is similar to the A in day. So let's see. Medo, verde. Feliz, menino. Or, for example, the other sound, sorry about that, I just hit the camera and it kind of shook. It's more opened. Let's see if you guys can notice that. It's férias. I like that word. You guys must like that too. Férias, vacation. Férias. Can you see the difference from the first one? Festa and férias. Festa, férias is more stressed, right? Then they have the accent marker. Other one is the closed sound, which sounds like the A sound in the word day, but it's a little bit more closed, and it has the accent marker, the one that I don't know the name in English anyway. Example, você, competência. E another example, Gênova. E, você, you see the E, você. Those are the 4 sounds the letter E can make, a letra E. Let's go to the letter O. Letter O basically can make 2 main different sounds too, open or closed. So the opened one, the more A is A, more O. You might know letter O as O, but it can make A. Costa, porta, A, porta, bota, bota. It's way more open. It's not O. It's ba, a, ka. Closed sounds the letter O can make. Let's see an example. Gota, 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 go, O. You see? Ba, bota, bota, gota. Bota, gota. Can you hear the difference a little bit? It's kind of tricky. I know, because I bet you can see the difference when I'm saying like the words next to each other, but when I use them in different ways and in different situations, it's kind of tricky to hear the difference. I know, but with time you're gonna get there. Don't worry. So it's bota, ba, gota. Which one was the closed one? Which one? Second one, right? Go, gota. And the closed one sounds more like the word go, go. And the open one sounds more the word, let me see here, off, off. You see, go, off. Two O's, but sound really different. There's another good example for the letter O, which is grandpa and grandma. Grandma is avó, avó, e grandpa is avô, avó, avô. Can you hear the difference? Avó, way opened, avô, avô, closed. Look at the difference in my lips. Avó, avô. Try that a couple times and you're gonna get it. I'm sure you will. Let's now move to the letter I. Letter I is pretty straightforward. It only makes one sound, like the word routine. E. E. So for example, routine, filha, 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 Brasil, 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 ficar, ficar. Oh, there's also the letter U, right? A, E, I, O, U. We made it not out of order, but that's how Brazilians say the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So the letter U makes only one sound too, which is similar to the word lute, lute in English. So let's see a few examples now. Jure, jure, pulo, pulo, jump, verb to jump, pular, música, 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 duro, duro, hard, in a like hard, like muito duro, not hard of like difficult. Hard of difficult is difícil, but never mind. Those are like the typical sounds, right? But there are also the nasal sounds of the vowels. For example, the A with the, as I call it, the warmy accent, makes the sound, like alemã, alemão, pão, 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 pão. Close your nose like pão, 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 alemã, 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 pão, alemão. And those sounds are similar to the sound of the U in the word thunder, 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 thunder. You see? There's a difference. Thunder, thunder. So you gotta use your nose to make that sound. Similar to alemão, alemã. Ótimo. The vowel E in English can make the sound em, como também, em, também, também, which is kind of nasal too, which can be kind of tricky for Americans to do, and I know that. Similar to the word paint in English, so you guys make a pretty similar sound, so you guys can make that. Another example is bem. Tudo bem? Tudo bem. Tranquilo. The letter E in English, no, the letter E, no, the letter I in English, the vowel E in Portuguese, it makes a sound, the nasal one too, the I-N, the E-N, makes a sound similar to the clean, 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 verb to clean stuff. For example, sim, 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 fim, 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 sim, fim, lindo, lindo, lindo. The vowel U a letra U makes a UN and a UM sound. So it's a pretty nasal one too. And a few examples of that are uns, cumprir, 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 tumba, tumba. Those are good ones. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you guys got to learn. What up? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. That's it for today. I hope you guys have learned some of the different sounds that the vowels can make. Because they just don't make A, E, I, O, U. Yeah. Hope that was helpful. Make sure to subscribe and more videos are to come. Thank you.